Hey Bricksters and Lego friends, Twoloosebricks here, and I'm doing a sort of update on the amusement park here. Well, because of sets that we got for Christmas, things are going to be changed around. Now it's going to be really difficult to figure out where things are going to go, but we're going to figure it out, and I'm going to show you roughly where things are going to be changed. So here we go. Let's take a look right now. So here we go. Here's where things are going to be changed. It's going to be changed all in this area right here because we have to put a 28-inch circle, the train track circle in here because of the Christmas train that we got for Christmas. So that's going to go around here and it's going to be like a ride. How we're going to do that, I don't know. If it's just going to be just a straight on the level train that's going around in a circle, or we might elevate it in a little bit and make it look like a little bit of a roller coaster type of thing, or what. I do know though that it has to circle under Elsa's castle in the back, so that's going to be an issue right now. But what we likely will be doing is raising that up. Brick build something up there like a tunnel or something to put the castles on, and then have the train go underneath and come through and then circle through back here, probably just where around the TARDIS is there, and come around here and do that because we got some room in back there for it to swing around by the non-Lego tree and stuff, but we got to be careful of the swing of the ski lifts that go up and down. So this is going to be a tricky engineering feat, maybe. We'll see, but we'll get it worked out because we will figure it out, and we may have to go a little bit wider here to make that to come around like that there so it doesn't run into the ski lift. Probably that's what we're going to do because we don't want it to run into the base of this either. So it's probably going to be over in that area right there. We're going to see how that's going to work and go from there. What we could also do is in the base of the ski lift, we had it cut out for the N-scale train. We might have to enlarge that on both sides and have it go around and through that mountain there. That's a possibility as well, so we'll take that into account. But I really don't want to cut up my stuff unless I have to. But anyway, that being said, there's going to be a rearrangement of the North Pole here and Frozen Land. We won't really have to touch too much, I don't think, into Diagon Alley or Hogsmeade. But that being said, we won't know until we get into the situation and it's all said and done. So really not much done here on Diagon Alley roller coaster. Or Gringotts Bank. So hey, it's just been, you know, Christmas season was busy and everything, so we didn't get anything done there, but it is coming along. That's the Harry Potter Wizarding World all down the side there, and we got some stuff to add in there, some more minifigures and stuff like that. So this is going to be cleaned up a little bit here. We're going to get that balloon finally up and working, and we're going to get some lighting in here as well because we got all those projector lamps which will hang up above to shine down on the North Pole. So yeah, so that's about that. Just like to say Happy New Year to you all, and that's the update that I got going right now, and we'll see you very shortly in the next video. Happy New Year. That's about it for me today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time we upload a video. Take care, and I will talk to you guys again in the next video very shortly.